Hey, Juliet, where are the lizards?
Right there, on the tree.
They're in the trees? The lizards are in the trees?
Right there, up in the tree, see right there.
Oh yeah, you saw some over here?
Let me over here.
Yeah. Sweetie, do you like Hawaii?
I do. I'm gonna see. I just have some.
You have lots of pretty leaves there, huh?
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Oh,
Hey, Juliet. Juliet, can you wave? Go wave.
hi.
Say bye-bye.